Testile Pökin in Singular Sikin Yong like a sweet somebody tan, Tarin Pökeluni don't get the sum so good, Pentashipe, Chicta, Chiluni don't junior down a bed, Sinishic, Sadavi Singular and Gozushi, Yendishu can Pamsiri, Tarin Saga Gozugubre, at our dinner, Tempashaka to bed, Zevamang Bushe Yubena, Tucheng Azumbe Dawshigimbre, Telesons and Namgar Gavele, Tubayena, Pay and Shindochabre. Chino Hoskamgo Chomochoge, Kasan, Austria, Swiss, Nedu, Pemisor, Pemingo, Tumbe, Tumo Mabe, Rishon, Dawu Gagobata, Shunget, Pögi, Tilo Sheto, Chegu, Kechamre, Mazu Kana Shungi, Pögi, Rishon, Torshik Dongudo, She Shugi Yoga, Mazu Raon Lungbena, Nedu Chegen, Pemisor, Dawu Magabayena, Kondo Sheva Teta, Meeting Bachagre, Kana Shungi, Pögi, Tola, Changa, Dambuche, Teni, Pebe, Pemingo, Tuyela, Kechambu Chagi of a Shezan. Mazu Thomas Enjo to Joka, Pepe Lobda Surtu Zugu, Bezun Chevate, Migu and Rishon Dawugaya Cheture, Galopebdo. Tene Mutu, Kani, Chepsi Gua Manson, and Tegar with them Chebe, Gotila Zero Zeva Kolayan Galopebde, Tangwalo Debuche, Galopebdo. Kasha Gichino Hoskem Guchomochoki, Guche Tola, Dear Tangme, Toxin Tang, Ungo Tablam Lata, Chishin Yube, Gaji Manzong Wene, Toto Tang, Tusab Nangue, Neta Kanya Megan, Pimitangme, Subsub Nangue, Kachimbre, Jesson.
Kasha Gi Sago Seta Dinala, Neju Chimachishinda, Kang Kasese, Gona, Tanakun, Tizaki, Ganamati. Tarit Neju di Never chala, Yulam Mangonala, Tonan Shibuji che, Tinjay Gembe, Perchina, Ki Yamburum Jilla, Tedu Yuba, Kashin Yuba, Mango Shibuchi, Lozata Trane, the Tixotola, Kestini, Mango Shibuchi Yondido, Tinjay into Zamba, Nambazo Tame, Kingere, Nisun, Ribeto Lambda, Nisungi, Nezu Rig, Mango Shibuchi, Mazanamune. Yulam Kala Troegi, Komshi Yamarilla, Chine Goba Mevaji, into Zamba, Edu Richi, Tuzo Kalakansam, Chimber Rete, Namazula Chicken, Saba Soroji, Chayorte, Mato Sungyoki, Legachi, when the Shebina, Edu Joma Tabane, Jaburumji Gujatola Treba Yuba, Chenkonia, Samegi, Chende Yobatan, Tosun Nangi Yobatan, Ditola. Ngoko Karchia to Kudutan, Nata Cheshimbares, the Netone Chitanya, Kajimanzo Tolaji, Toto, Tuzabro Nambe, Neta, Kayomares, the Chabjil Station, Gazinrich Metro Sons. Shenda, Chidan Kuja Tola, and Namazo, Gazet Naira Yurian, Mazukan, Shulod, and the Yanamazu Shuruba.
Tanda Kongo Sumana Shiga, Shena Chega, the Nanda Chegua Yamaris. Yimina, Zaza Cheguya, Tonan Cheguya, Samalon Gayore, the tea, the Saman log, the media singer there, Pemazu Kachimbre, Chinzo Nala, Niembe Ancho do Tabi me Sigore. Chedat did the missing Gayore, Cheditala Jamig Karichigdo, Karishigdo, Naros Chinzo no Karichago to Cardino, the media. Yoshi Jenny, Chi do Nila, Shipal, she Sabok to the Tanaja Keshmustare. Dodo Marusonto Yungondo, Jamig Pie, Manzola Kaze Cheje Chedevena, Kaze Chedev, and Manzo Tel Pa Lonson Lonso Tata Leja Maketana, she Tona Yungudo, Chedat Dital, Manzo, she Sabok Tonilla, Leja, and she Sabok Tono, Tonaja, the Pemazu Kechumuration, half of the dam Sashungetsu, or the message de Joe.
Yesha Dawanga Bete Geni, Chino Koskem Chomochoki, Inchi Sarsho, Sunday Telegraph Chebe, Sergio Bar, Gemi Pepe Pime Kasila, Chenga Jonda Tene, Tatan Jeta Gune, Conshola, Zedu Dongu, Ninju Shumshimbe, Nizu Sende Chungwe Korsumar, Sangu Gulam Kaki, Nizu Ter, Hazan Tanan Chemuchebar, Hazan Tenishu Sani Meni, Pande, Kalun Tizap, Churi Kalun, Bem Chanjo Chotan, Desun Kalun, Donjung Mudu Chon, Namni, China Sergio Bar, Koskem Chomochoki, Kujet Deve, Kashaki, Seta Dinayubre.
According to reports received from Tibet in June 2010, Chinese intelligence agencies are making concrete plans to harm His Holiness by employing well-trained agents, particularly females. It is also learned that they are exploring the possibility of harming him by using ultra-modern and highly sophisticated drugs and poisonous chemicals. Another report received in October 2011, it's also learned that the Chinese intelligence agencies have stepped up their clandestine efforts to collect intelligence on the status of His Holiness' health, as well as collecting physical samples of his blood, urine, and hair. They are reportedly cooperating Tibetans inside Tibet to visit India with the intention of seeking any audience with him. To this end, His Holiness' effort to reform the democratic Tibetan society have also emboldened certain fundamentalists within the Tibetan community. This relates to difference arising from the worship of the Shuddha spirit, which His Holiness had advised the Tibetan people from worshipping against. The primary group among these fundamentalists is the Doje Shuddha Devotees, Charitable and Religious Society of DSDCRC, are perhaps the most violent group. The Indian police have identified and charged the DSDCRS of murdering 3 monks to close His Holiness, including his Chinese translator. This triple murder occurred in Dharamsala, India, very close to His Holiness' personal residence in February 1997. A red corner notice was issued by Interpol in June 2007 for the arrest of two of the accused in this case. Various reports also point to the fact that the Chinese government is also covertly backing the Shuddha fundamentalists groups. The leaders of any association called the North American Geluk Association, which was established in March 2011 in the United States, met Chinese officials in New York several times and have also visited China on a regular basis. The Central Tibetan Administration is grateful to Government of India for the efficient security arrangements provided to His Holiness the Dalai Lama. The Central Tibetan Administration cautions all concerned to remain vigilant and alert in this regard.
Pande Kalon Tibecho Bir than John Dara Kuki Shija, Bir Peto, and Bir Derge, Bir John Dara Nangchin, Teshin Kuite, Gwende Kata, Love Jesu, something Nangab, Mansoki, Pepis of Geshudo. Kalon Tibechoke, Sane Manzola, Koskambe Chombachoke, Chipsy Kuan Manzone, Taker with them Chebe, Gutila Zidu Zebejene, Pimi Dixuki, Chipsy Nedanta, Kasha Gopjube, Dadu Sumbangodu, Tishin Tatipuna Gizada Nedanto, Tabar Kashani, Giji Jizokala, Shuguna Wikorso Getola, Sonshen Nangduamaze, Tugushi Zingyong Tan, Loke, Pamapunje, Jizoje, Tsangmala Genyebe, Tedun Shugyago Gorian Sondo. Mimanzo Kalon Tibecho, Sanesu, Uisu Pepper, Gasor Chemoyanando. Kalon Tibecho, Say Jobgeni, Himachal, Ngade Quiki, Pimi Shijata, Gwemba, Love the Jesu, Samsik Nanshi Yubre. Pimitic to Nancy Kalon Garridomacho, Say Jobge, Sabasani, Kangra Gekangi, Demden Kanto, Gagar Nangu Shuze, Dokship Temper Sansu Nane, Lo Gadang Abjukove, to 10 Zego Kundans or Jembe Pebubre. Kalon choge conschoge senda khwebe tembe shetan shi temden khangla nang de phagbe ni ge lo tongda mangbe logyu ge dewa thamsab yeb de chemba nang do Himachal nga de khyap kong ge kyagar nang shu je jerik chembe chogzu choge shetan de nga de temden khang ge jangwe rintan chen shik do jene temden shu gyin yi song do lengge ni sikshim de phegi ni thi sangyu le chen de nam chen nga je lerim se bodo che shamla nam shing wan da menzi khang ge chai sang ge lot suruna
윤지 게 찌제 람드 닌딘 시긴 용라 선주 테스트리 슈와다 첩직 그네 딘다 디난기 찌제 결처와카 예싱 슈긴 질 다와 시더 디니 다나인 학더도 다와 디 단죽투 낙체와유 대송장 다디난 결제레가 고점나 지당 년도인 양 딘다 디네 사가다와 고주기 사가다와니 다와 캐더와 시긴 다와 디능 다자기 뜸바 샤게투바 꾸담바탕 상게바 꾸냥엘레 데데 뒤진 캐더와 숨케기 대송장 다와 시더들 뒤진 숨존기 다와 양셀 테나 다와들 기딕 레 강체장 규르신도네 체 딘자 디능 룽다 차와 타도 망장 겹시 딘자 디능 텐더 시대 체 숨대 하인 대송장 세 숨바테 나마당 치만 제 니제기 야 둔다 디 텐더 시대 체직 라사 다와당 텐더 시대 체툭 라사 템바니 저저르 냠바 레두 하 신하마 니장아 남 쇼다 저저 상나양 닝공 제잠니 저저르 냠바 레두 둔다 디낭 본동 셰바테 초 샤도 케기 대인두 레든 사데르 운주 체급 초 샤테 냐바도 전그 계시 초 대가랑라 레드 마룻 간니 중세 도저 제거 도저니 본동케레 초 텔라 잔들양기 꾸식 땜바탕 샤딘도 낭산난게 소 땜바이나 본동기 냐바 10월 제기 로데르 초 호네탕 노드니 초상시 사다 네데 초인데 초 대니라 쉘때네 레드 강릉 드나 상와인 단나 창세 땡들소 제급 슈델 초 팅이수 따나 상와유 지당 체자 상나양 니스스 셰사 켈두 레다 자와 군주 체나 년다인 라사다 소사 키두 레다 자와 군주 체나 상와인 제 둔자 디 지제 조든카 슈승다인 둔자 지나 라량 제초